Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Welcome kids! Today we are going to draw a super cute unicorn ice cream cone. Let's start drawing together. First, let's draw the pointy brown ice cream cone at the bottom. Now, draw the big round ice cream scoop on top of the cone. Next, let's add the cute little unicorn ears. Now, draw the rainbow unicorn horn right in the middle. Great job! Now let's draw the big shiny eyes. Add a happy smiling mouth. Don't forget the red heart on the cone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawing and color adventures. Now it's time to color and make the horn blue, yellow, pink, and red like a rainbow. Make the ice cream white, color the ears pink, and two cute pink cheeks. Color the cone brown. Wow, our unicorn ice cream looks so cute, colorful, and yummy. Ice cream is sweet, tasty, and makes everyone smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun drawing and color adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.